The MP-40 Maschinenpistole 40 is a German submachine gun used extensively during World War II. It was designed in 1938 by Heinrich Vollmer and produced between 1940 and 1945. Here are some key details about it. Specifications. Caliber: 9x19 mm Parabellum. Rate of fire: approximately 500 to 550 rounds per minute. Effective range: approximately 100 to 200 meters. Magazine capacity: 32-round detachable box magazine. Weight: approximately 3.97 kilograms unloaded. Length: 833 mm stock extended, 630 mm stock folded. Barrel length: 251 mm. Features: folding stock. Made it compact and easy to carry, especially for paratroopers and vehicle crews. Open bolt design helped prevent overheating and made the weapon reliable. Blowback operation: simple and effective mechanism for automatic fire. Stamped metal construction allowed for mass production at a lower cost. Use in World War II. Primarily issued to German officers, tank crews, and paratroopers. Known for its reliability and ease of use. Sometimes mistakenly called a Schmeisser, due to association with Hugo Schmeisser, but he was not involved in its design. Legacy: influenced later submachine guns like the Sten gun UK and PPS-43 USSR. Still seen in movies, video games, and historical collections. Some versions and replicas are used in military drills and reenactments today. Would you like more details on a specific aspect? The MP-40 Maschinenpistole 40 was one of the most iconic submachine guns of World War II. Here's an in-depth look at its history, design, performance, and legacy. 1. Development and history. Designed in 1938 by Heinrich Vollmer, based on the earlier MP-38. Entered production in 1940, replacing the MP-38 due to its simpler, cost-effective design. Used mainly by the Wehrmacht, German Army, Luftwaffe, Air Force, and Waffen-SS. Over 1 million units were produced between 1940 and 1945. 2. Technical specifications. 3. Design and features. Folding metal stock. Made it compact for transport and use in confined spaces. Open bolt firing mechanism. Reduced overheating issues but made it susceptible to dirt and debris. Straight blowback operation. Simple and reliable mechanism. Stamped steel construction. Reduced production costs and increased manufacturing speed. Single fire capability. Despite being full auto only, skilled soldiers could fire single shots with trigger control. Magazine issues. The double column, single feed magazine was prone to jamming, especially if dirty. 4. MP-40 in combat. Roles. Issued mainly to officers, paratroopers, vehicle